that? How do you know?
Some jibbly-gook thing?
It's like an API working on the UMI.
What the fuck you talking about?
API is an asynchronous protocol interrogating the matrix. You know, psychic stuff.
Cosmodrome.
What kind of name is that? How do you know?
And gold went to a new record high, getting close to $3,000 per ounce. Now, the gold price has been surging since 2022, when the United States froze Russian US dollar assets. That gave other central banks a fright, prompting them to move foreign exchange assets out of US dollars and into gold.
So this morning to talk about going for the gold, Elon Musk and Doge setting their sights on the country's largest gold reserve, Fort Knox in Kentucky, as its own senator reveals that $425 billion of a gold supply doesn't even get a yearly review.
To that now is speculation over a gold shortage in London. Now, this is coming from a surge in gold shipments to the U.S. as traders amass a massive $82 billion stockpile in New York. This according to the Financial Times, by the way.
Recording from an undisclosed location for reasons of security, and therefore insecurity. I am the elusive Cosmodrome. Accept no imitation. Greetings, surface dwellers. So how much gold do you think is actually in Fort Knox? Or better yet, how much gold is left in the Bank of England? Probably not as much as on the gold foil wrapper of my Get Chunky lemon cookie I had last night. So much gold foil it caught fire in the microwave. We were nearly forced to evacuate the bunker because of the smell. Confucius said you haven't lived until you have smelled cookie wrapper burning in the microwave, but Confucius also said, he who smelt it, dealt it. But back to gold. With my curiosity piqued and dream of bullion dancing through my head, I could have set out to do a full-on technical analysis of gold features, but as Director of Weapons Research, I don't have time for such trifles. I will eventually give you this 4-hour chart and a daily chart showing the historical and demarcation of when I activated the API to extract the data from the matrix. This expedition began on January 10th, 2025, actually. In this instance, I attempted to harness my psychic abilities to unlock what would happen to gold over the next 120 days. Let's get straight to the meat. Here is the prediction that was done on January 10th. A slight uptrend, followed by a period of stagnation that occurs through February, and then a severe decline, and then range-bound thereafter up through the end of, or middle of May. This downtrend should be starting in the second half of February. That's just where we are now. That's what this blue vertical line indicates is the current time that this was recorded. In the bunker payoff here. So, here we have the predicted futures outlined next to the actual future data. The vertical line here represents the current time. Start time is the same. Again, time frame all the way out to May. And it's nice that we have this uptrend, the horizontal, and then the downtrend. In real life, we have the uptrend, the across, but where is this bloody downtrend? Why hasn't it happened? Future, why are you being so unreliable? So hopefully this happens very soon, and then range-bound trend afterwards. So looking at trading view data, vertical line indicates when the session was run. Horizontal line indicates the opening price, and we do indeed see the uptrend followed by stagnation, and now the prediction is that things should drop precipitously and then kind of go back into stagnation. So that's kind of what we're expecting. This downtrend is a little overdue, but again, still a little bit of time for that to come to fruition. In summary, none of this has been done before. This is an alpha test of both the new API, asynchronous protocol interrogation of the matrix to predict the future of gold on both the X and the Y axes. Here be dragons, you have been warned. Well, enough madness for one day. I must off and tend my ravens.